There were a couple things about the previous eSpring that caused it to take up extra space. One of which is that the tubing for the previous version came out the back of the unit. This meant that users couldn't put the unit as tightly up against the wall as they would like. Some markets offered tubing elbows that helped this a little bit, but they still took up space behind the unit. The previous model was also somewhat round, so it bulged out a little more. Since the new eSpring could separate the E3 carbon filter from the UV system, we were able to flatten the shape. The change in shape, combined with tubing that comes from the bottom, means that users can now place the unit flat against the wall and take less countertop space. The inlet and outlet also rotate, which gives more options for how the unit will fit in various spaces. We learned from the previous experiences of eSpring to determine what were the most challenging aspects of installation and filter change. In order to install the previous eSpring, the cover and electronics module needed to be removed in order to plug the tubing into the unit. Then the power adapter needed to be plugged in and aligned properly to put the cover back on. In the new eSpring, with both the tubing and the plug at the bottom of the unit, it's as simple as flipping the unit over and plugging in the connections. No initial disassembly required. There was an even bigger focus on improving the filter change process with the new eSpring. The previous eSpring required users to disconnect the tubing every time they needed to change the filter. The replacement then needed to be screwed all the way into the bracket, just the right position, before reassembling the unit. The new eSpring was designed so that the tubing did not need to be disconnected to replace the filter, and the filter could drop right in with no special alignment needed. There are a few key functions for the new eSpring within the Amway Healthy Home app. The actual product has a simple and intuitive display to let you know how the unit is performing. Within the app, you can see much more detail about your water usage, such as charts showing daily and monthly usage. There are a number of helpful assets, such as the owner's manual and how-to videos. While connected, the unit also gets automated system updates and provides filter change alerts. Replacement filters can also be ordered with the click of a button. The new Amway Healthy Home app will also include connected Atmosphere products as well. All the great features of Atmosphere and eSpring combined into one streamlined app experience.